Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Can I request all of you to please switch off your mobile phones or put them on silent mode? Welcome to Sunshine Toastmasters. Can we have the guest introductions, please? Your name and how did you come to know about Toastmasters? What's your name? How did you come to know about Toastmasters? You are here along with? You are here with? Good.
My name is Purnima. I came with my auntie. My name is Rishika. I came with my mom.
So today, our theme of the day, don't give up, it's not over. The universe is balanced. Every setback bears with it the seeds of comeback. We have many stories from history. We had one successful CEO of IBM, Tom Watson, who said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. If you look at the pages of history, we come to know that every story of success is also a great story of failure. There was one man, at his young age of 21, he failed at his business. Again, at the age of 22, he lost the legislative elections. At the age of 24, again, he failed in his business. At the age of 26, he lost his beloved. At the age of 27, he had a nervous breakdown. At the age of 47, he lost the elections and couldn't become the vice president. But at the age of 52, he didn't lose. He ended up becoming the president of the United States of America. Any guesses who was this?
Abraham Lincoln.
Everyone is right. Abraham Lincoln. Walt Disney, the famous cartoonist. Every one of us over here haven't grew up without watching the cartoons of Walt Disney. At his young age, he was rejected by many publishers saying that he had no talent. But once, in a church, he was hired to draw cartoons. He used to stay in a shed which was infected by mouse. And in the end, he ended up drawing Mickey Mouse, which is too famous right now. Even Amitabh Bachchan, in his young age when he started his career, he was rejected by the All India Radio saying that his voice was too heavy and no one would prefer to listen to his voice. But today, he is paid in a hefty amount just for his voice. Again, at his young age, one kid, he was sent back home with a note in his pocket and his mom read the note. Your Tommy is too stupid. Please take him away from the school. But the same little kid grew up and became Thomas Alva Edison, who lost thousands of times, but in the end, he came up with the electric bulb. So that with that, we come to the theme of the day. Don't give up, it's not over. The universe is balanced. Every setback bears with it the seeds of comeback. And today we have a person amongst us who has garnered all the qualities required for Toastmasters. She is a graceful lady who is the leader. And she is the one who makes Sunshine proud. So please put your hands together for our President, Toastmaster Rinaldi.